So would you like to connect your GoDaddy domain into a Wix website that you currently have available? So I'm going to be showing you how to get started with this element really fast. The first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to have access to my wix.com website. So the first thing, of course, is to start the connection with the Wix, which is logging into my Wix website. Head to the settings of your website, which in this case should be this one. I go for select and edit this side. Here, what I wanted to do is to head for the settings of the current website that I'm currently going to be working on, which it should be now appearing into the three dots, and you can be looking out of it. Now, what you can do is to either choose here that says connect a custom domain, or just scroll a little bit down and go for the option that says settings. Here, what you can do is to look out for the option that says domains. And here into domains, the most easiest way to connect your domain is to choose what domain do you want to connect to the TextPress portfolio, which in my case should be the one that we currently have directly inside GoDaddy. So I select the current domain that I have, I paste it directly in here, and I choose for the option that says let's go. So choose the option that says connected domain you already own. You don't want it to click the option that says transfer unless you want to pay Wix to the hosted domain today. We're just connecting it. So you wanted to type the URLs I just did. Wix will scan the web and instantly recognize, hey, this domain is GoDaddy, so you're going to be choosing that element. Now in this case, for example, let's say this is taken. Is it yours? Let's say yes, I own this domain. Now, in order to continue, it might be asking you to upgrade to an actual site to a premium plan in order to connect a domain. We currently won't be doing this at the moment, so just use the option that says get it. Now, once you see the blue continue button, if you are into this element, of course, usually a window will pop up asking you to log into the GoDaddy. Once you sign in, the GoDaddy will ask you if you wanted to connect your domain or to just purchase an actual plan. You choose to connect and authorize. That literally it, because GoDaddy and Wix are now shaking hands behind the scenes and updating your name servers automatically, so we don't have to do absolutely anything. Now there's a second version, a second scenario, which is the backup name servers. If the automatic way didn't pop up, don't sweat it, because the manual setup will be really fast. Back directly here into the GoDaddy, what I need to do is to find the domain, which is going to appear in here. I focus for the option that says DNS, and I scroll down for the option that says name servers. Here into the name servers, I wanted of course to add my new name servers. Here I wanted to paste it to Wix name servers here. Tell Wix you're done. We'll now begin the verification process. Usually Wix is going to be giving you the name servers. So what you need to do is just to copy and paste. The name servers will be appearing like this: the type, the name, the data, and the TTL. So this information will be copying and paste from Wix to GoDaddy. Then the verification of the CLS. Now that the waiting time, the propagation is fastest, but it can be taking from 1 to 48 hours from the domain to point to your new site. So Wix will automatically issue a free SSL certificate once the domain is live. If your site says not secure for the first hour, don't worry, it's just the certificate generating it. So, and just like that, the automatic is best, manual is your backup. Either way, your GoDaddy domain is now the front door to your Wix website. If you see that there's a 404 error, your site might not be published yet, just wait till you publish the button into the Wix editor and you are actually good to go. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the videos, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools to help you get started with the Wix tools and the GoDaddy servers. Thank you once again for watching, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.